Hi, so we are Team DockerBot and we are here today to demonstrate our bot to you. So, setting up repositories from GitHub is a common initial step in the development of most open source softwares. This mainly involves setting up the environment with the required services, libraries, and frameworks. This task can often be difficult and can cost the developer precious time and energy. So, DockerBot is here and it will help solve this problem by providing accurate commands for the creation of Docker files and images for the required environments. Now let's see. Now let's look at what DockerBot can actually do. So first of all, to see the kind of instructions the bot can take, we have compiled a cheat sheet of all the commands which can be accessed like this. So here we can see that this command help has invoked a link which can lead directly to the cheat sheet, which has all the commands that the DockerBot will listen to. Now let's look at the first use case of our bot. Okay, so here you can see that the bot has created a Docker file which has been generated using Dockerize Me. So Dockerize Me is a research project by Rajashri Mandaogane under the guidance of Professor Panan. Since the repository under consideration over here contains code which has been written in Python and Node.js, instructions to set them up can be seen over here in the file, over here and over here. Now we look at the second use case of our bot. So many a times we want to use a popular stack, but again it can be a long process as a result of all the dependencies involved in setting it up. Thus we can again showcase the power of images available in Docker registry. So here we can see a list of all the popular stacks that DockerBot can provide. Now we can select one of them. So here you can see that we requested DockerBot to create to pass us the commands required for deploying the image with Python built into it. So over here we can see. So this is what happens when you execute the command docker pull python. Now what we'll do is we'll just directly execute. So here we have gone into the virtual machine that has been created as a result of the execution of the commands, and we can see that Python also works. Okay, so moving on to the next feature, which is the final feature of the bot. As we saw above, from a given repository, we have generated a Docker file in the first step. But to make the feature more useful, we can ask our bot to go a step ahead and build a Docker image and push it on Docker Hub for public use. So let us see how this works. So here we have created a test repository with Python in it, and we are asking DockerBot to go ahead and create a Docker file from this and push it onto the Docker Hub registry. So behind the scene, the bot will create the Docker file, build the image on the server, and push it on Docker Hub. As of now, the file does not exist. It can be seen over here. There's no file called Python test over here. But this will take some time.
2,000 years later.
So here we can see that the file has been generated as a result of the instruction last executed. Now we'll look at the file in the Docker Hub registry, and as we can see, it has appeared over here as Python test, which will now be available directly using this command. So these are all the commands which can be used to pull the image from Docker Hub. Thank you.